Guys, my name's Tommy, and I run the YouTube channel, The Gallery Backyard Barbecue. As you probably know, over the next few months, I'll be the guest chef over at GrillGrate YouTube channel. So basically what I want to do for you today is a smash burger, but not any smash burger, a Molly smash burger. Basically, the Molly smash burger is a brown sugar-infused patty that we are going to cook on the Weber kettle using the flat sides of the GrillGrate. Now this recipe is going to go pretty quick, and it's definitely one you're going to want to make. Now our ingredient list for this cook is as follows: a few slices of bacon, we got some brown sugar, 2 3 to 5 ounce patties, we got some cheddar cheese, we got a nice roll, and there's two types of smashers. You got the flat smasher, and you got the smasher with the ridge. We're going to go with the ridge today. You can go with either one that you have. All right, look, we got our Weber kettle in a 2-zone heat. We got charcoal on the one side. That's going to be our hot side. That's going to get up to about 500 Fahrenheit. And then we got our cool zone, which is going to gradually come down, and we're looking at 250 to 350, somewhere in that range. But the first thing we want to do is get some brown sugar on 2 3 to 5 ounce loosely packed patties. And trust me, now you think that this would be overpowered with this brown sugar, and it's not. I mean, these flavors gel together so good that it's, once you make them, you're gonna just constantly make them. I mean, I've had many people make them, and they all definitely love them. So again, I would definitely give this a try, as it is something different. And that's good. If you, as long as you get like a 50 to 75% coverage on the brown sugar, you'll be good to go. But look, the first thing we want to do, since we're working with bacon, let's get the bacon on. Alrighty, everyone. Look, good rule of thumb here: hot pan, cold oil, just as if you were in the kitchen in the house. You never want to spray cold, right? You want to go hot pan, cold oil, of course. Now we're looking at a good heat temperature of about 500 to 550 Fahrenheit on that hot zone, and that cool zone will get up into the 300 Fahrenheit, which will be perfect to work the pit. Now I'll wipe a little of that duck fat off, as we are seasoned pretty good. Remember, we're cooking with bacon, so you're going to get some oil from the bacon. I find when I'm cooking on these GrillGrates flipped, it's just like a saute pan that you would be cooking breakfast in the morning in the house. It's really no different. All right, so after about 2-3 minutes, you're going to want to flip your bacon. So a quick check shows that our hot zone is 555 Fahrenheit. Our cool zone is about 380 Fahrenheit. That is perfect. And what we want to do here is we want to move our bacon over into the cool zone. She'll stay warm, and she may even cook a little bit over there. Now we'll get our smash burger patties on. Again, remember, put them down, let them sit for approximately 10 seconds or so before you smash them. And look, I'm going to run this cook pretty much real time with not that much edit. From there, what you want to do is get yourself a piece of parchment paper. I'm using butcher paper. Put it down, smash it down, hold it for approximately 10 seconds or so. And unlike me, make sure you have some hand protection. Yeah. you see that brown sugar kind of caramelizing with that meat, man, and I am telling you, the flavor is just out of this world. Again, you'll hold her for about 10 seconds or so, and look at the GrillGrates doing what the GrillGrate does best, and that is it keeps the flares down. That's the magic with these GrillGrate. It just holds the flare down. If you were doing this without the GrillGrate, man, you'd have a fiery mess for sure. Now after the smash, you're only going to go, what am I going again? This is real time, so what were we, about 30 seconds? And then you want to flip them, right? And you got that nice brown sugar crust. Oh. Again, we are going real time, and after the flip, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, you're going to cheese those bad boys up. At this point, you're almost done. Remember, you are smashing these things down flat. They will cook pretty fast, especially at 550 Fahrenheit. And again, you see that flame being knocked down by the GrillGrate. Good job there. At this point, you got your rolls in the cool zone, you got your bacon off the cool zone, moved over to the hot zone, right? You'll move your rolls to the warm zone and close the hood if you have one. And now I did do a little edit here. The hood was closed for about 10 to 15 seconds. Oh man, we'll move that to the cool zone. We'll get our rolls set up. We got the perfect sear on those rolls. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. I'm telling you. This is a brown sugar infused burger. It's the Molly Smash. All right, everybody, look, I'm going to take this in live for the taste test. I want to thank you all for watching. Leave me a comment down in the description and let me know what you thought about the Molly, and let me know when you're going to make the Molly Smash. All right, everybody, look, that is it. And due to some inclement weather on the way, I had to bring this taste test inside. A couple things to point out on this cook is it does go fast. When you put the Smashburgers on the grill, you want it at about 450 Fahrenheit, and you want to let it sit for maybe 10 seconds or so, and then smash them down. Now, you could use the flat smasher or the one with the ridge. It really doesn't matter. But you want to hold your smash for about 10 seconds or so, and you'll get a nice, a nice crust on that meat, and that is exactly what you're looking for. So after your smash, you let it sit maybe 20, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, depending on how hot and how quick it is cooking. Flip it. After the flip, you want to get that cheese on there immediately. Another 10, 15, 20 seconds, you'll top it. Now, this is going to go fast. have your rolls on, have your bacon ready, or whatever you're going to do. Fried onions, mushrooms. I've done them many ways. I've done them cowboy, and I'll tell you, man. All right, now look, after all that, it's time for me to take a taste test. Oh, man. You know, and to me, one thing about burgers or smash burgers, to me, the roll is everything. So make sure you do have a nice soft bun for sure. And there you go. And like I always like to say, cheers. All right, guys, look. Trust me, you only get a touch of the brown sugar sweetness. It mixes so good with the beef. Added to that a nice hit of cheese, and with that saltiness of the bacon. I'm telling you, this is something different. It's something easy to make, and it's something you're definitely going to want to make. And once you do make it, you're going to continue to make it. All right, look, so that's it. I want to thank GrillGrate for allowing me to cook for them. I want to thank you for watching the cook. And if there's anything you'd like to see, just leave me it in a comment down below. And until next time, we will see you soon.